Now we are discussing 11th standard biobotany. 11th standard biobotany unit 1 diversity of living world, chapter 2 plant kingdom. Chapter 2 plant kingdom. Okay, so do you know that the plant kingdom? Orgage Whittaker explain for that this in the first chapter. Biologist Whittaker gave us the 5 kingdom classification, classifying all the living organisms into 5 kingdoms: Prosta, Monera, Fungi, Plantae and Animae. So now we are discussing this plant kingdom. Okay, so and the kingdom of Animae. So kingdom of Animae, we are discussing this in the biozoology. So now we are learn about this plant kingdom. Okay, plant kingdom. What are the characters of this plant kingdoms? Do you know that they are this multicellular eukaryotes with the cell walls containing cellulose and other polysaccharides. So nutrition is autotrophic. So majority of this photosynthetics. Okay, so the life history means green plants involve 2 generations which alternate with each other. First one, diploid generation occurs known as sporophyte, and during which spores are formed. Okay, so next this is followed by the scaploid generation, camptophyte, during which sex cells are produced. Kingdom Plantae includes algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. See that bryophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms, algae, fungi includes the plant kingdom. So Eckler divided the plant kingdom 2 main groups: flowerless or seedless called this cryptogamia, flowering or seed bearing plants called this phanerogamia or spermatophyta. So cryptogams are further divided into thallophyta, bryophyta, pteridophyta and phanerogams into gymnosperms and angiosperms. Thallophyta includes this algae, fungi, bacteria and lichens. Bryophytes includes liverworts, cornworts, okay, liverworts, cornworts and mosses, while the pteridophyta includes ferns and alleys. So this is the characters of this plants, characters of this kingdom Plantae, kingdom plants. Okay, so in this particular character is photosynthesis. Do you know that this photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast, so which contain the pigments chlorophyll A and B, xanthophylls and carotenoids are here. So photosynthesis, with the help of the sunlight, the photosynthesis takes place. So classification of plants. So the life history of green plants involved 2 generations which alternate with each other. Okay, so the classification of plants widely accepted for this plants kingdom is under this plant kingdoms embryophyta. Okay, embryophyta, which is divided this bryophyta and rhizophyta. Okay, so again it will be divided this pteridophyta and spermatophyta. So spermatophyta it will be includes the gymnosperms and angiosperms. So next we discuss this life cycle patterns in plants. Okay, the life history of green plants involved for this 2 generations. The first one it is diploid generations, we called out as the sporophyte. So next one it is haploid generations, we called out of this the sex cells, we called out the sex cells. So alternation of generation is here in this all the plants. So alternation of this haploid camptophytic phase, we called out this haploid means N. Okay, haploid means N, diploid means 2N. Okay, diploid di. Okay, di means 2. Di means 2. So during this life cycle it is called as alternation of generation. So next we call out by this life cycle it is followed by plants. So first we learn about this camptophytic life cycle. So camptophytic life cycle means camptophytic phase. Okay, camptophytic phase, during this camptophytic phase sex cells are produced, that means gametes are produced. So camptophytic phase is dominant, so it is a photosynthetic. Do you know that it is independent? Okay, next for sporophytic phase we called out of zygote. After this meiosis the zygote is formed. So in the the haploid chromosomes, it will be restored this in that conditions. Okay, so example, Volvox and this Pyrohyra. So next one, it is diplomatic life cycle. Just we know that alternation of generation. So diplomatic life cycle means, so two end stage. So two end stage, that is the sporophytic phases dominant. Okay, sporophytic phases dominant. Haematophytic phases represented by few cells are produced. That means that gametes are produced. At the time during this gametes are produced, the gametes fuse together to form this zygote. So the zygote, it is called out sporophyte. Okay, develops the sporophyte. Example, gymnosperms, angiosperms, fecus. So next is caplodiplomatic life cycles. Caplodiplomatic life cycles mean intermediate. Okay, so some stages, camptophytic phases dominant, sporophytic, some few plants coming for sporophytic is dominant. So best example, bryophytes and pteridophytes. So bryophytes and pteridophytes bryophytes is so dominant phase is camptophyte. Okay, dominant phase is camptophyte. So when compared to this, that pteridophytes sporophyte phase is dominant. Okay, sporophyte phase is dominant. Because why this bryophytes dominant phase வந்து camptophyte இருக்கு அப்படின்னா, sporophyte is short lived. Okay, sporophyte is short lived. It's a multicellular structure, but it is a short lived, so it will be partially depend on the camptophyte. So same similar to this in the pteridophytes, sporophyte is dominant, so camptophyte phase is short lived. Okay, so it will be multicellular, saprophytic, autotrophic plants are here. So camptophytic phase is short lived in the pteridophytes. So next we discuss this algae. Next we discuss the algae. Do you know that algae, so after this rain, it is in your surroundings, some green color patches are here in the ground. So it is a slippery in nature. Okay, it is a slippery in nature. So why it is a slippery in nature? Why? So it is a green color patches on the wall of the gum, is a green color puddles is here in the bonds. You have to observe. Yeah, so you will observe. So what is this? This is the algae. Okay, this is that algae. So algae are this simple plants. Algae are this simple plants, lack of roots, stems and leaves. Okay, leaves. Okay, lack of roots, stem and leaves. So 2/3 of this air, this is surface, it is made up of this water. So mostly algae are aquatic. Okay, mostly algae are aquatic. Photosynthetic plants are here. Okay, photosynthetic plants. So half of this total primary productive of the plant depends on this plant group. Okay, so we are depending upon this plants. We are depending upon these plants. What is the sources of this plants? Food and transportation. So everything it will be depending upon the plants. So okay, so algae. So algae are group of chlorophyll bearing photosynthetic autotrophic thalloid plants. Whose plants? Okay, this is that algae whose body is not differentiated into true roots, stems and leaves. So the study of his algae is called this mycology. So the study of algae is called mycology. Yeah? The study of algae is called this mycology. Okay, the term algae was first used by this Linnaeus. Okay, so Linnaeus. Next one it is M.O.P. Parthasarathy. Okay, M.O.P. Iyengar or the Parthasarathy is the father of Indian mycology. Father of Indian mycology. So the algae is the general characters. What are the general characters of this algae? So all algae are this autotrophs. Okay, algae are the chlorophyll bearing elements with thallus like plant bodies. So the tallest shows a little differentiation of these two tissues are here. So even this complex thallus lack vascular tissues and epidermis with stomata. The sex organs are this one-celled. When multicellular, each cell is fertile and there is no jacket of sterile cells. There is no embryo formation of the gamete union. Okay, gamete union. So both the generations when represented in the life cycle are independent. There are no algae with a sporophyte, parasitic or gametophytic plant, except few. All the algae are aquatic. So under favorable conditions, the gametophytic multiplies repeatedly by means of sexual spores called this mitospores. Okay. So what are the gametes? Are here? So algae occur in variety of gametes, but most of the algae are aquatic. Other gametes in which algae occur in the moist stone soils, wood. Some algae are found in the association with fungi, and some other algae are associated with animals also. Okay. So first one.